So, hello there. Hope you're doing well. As you know, summer is around the corner and it's blazing hot. So, it's high time for swimming. So, إذا السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أحبتي. Okay. في فيديو إن شاء الله سوف أعطيكم مجموعة من المصطلحات التي تحتاجونها للحديث عن السباحة، الذهاب إلى البحر، إلى غير ذلك. إذا, so let's get started. So, let's have a look at the picture. So, this is beach. Beach. This man is at the beach. This man is at the beach. You can talk about yourself and you say, I am at the beach. I am at the beach. Repeat after me. Very good. This is sea. When we mean water, we say sea, not a beach. Sea. Sea. Very good. Okay. What's wrong with sea? What is problem with sea? So the sea is rough. The sea is rough. Repeat after me. The sea is rough. Rough. The sea is rough. The sea is rough. Look at this picture. We'll have the verb swim. Swim. Can you swim today? We can't swim. We can't swim. Why? Because the sea is rough. We can't swim because the sea is rough. We can't swim because the sea is rough. Very good. Repeat after me. Excellent. Perfect. Look at this. This is called in English wave. Wave. So this is high wave. High wave. Look there. There is high wave. There is high wave. Very good. Excellent. Look at this picture. This is called sand. This is called sand. I can't walk on sand. I can't walk on sand. The sand is very hot. It's very hot. I can't walk on sand. It's very hot. I can't walk on sand. It's very hot. Repeat after me. Very good. I can't walk on sand. It's very hot. Excellent. These are called in English flip-flops. Flip-flops. Repeat after me. Flip-flops. Very good. I need to put on my flip-flops. I need to put on my flip-flops. I need to put on my flip-flops. Repeat after me. Very good. I need to put on my flip-flops. Why? Because the sand is very hot. The sand is very hot. Very good. I am not good swimmer. I am not good swimmer. I need this. This is called in English flout in a ring. Flout in a ring. Repeat after me. Flout in a ring. I need flout in a ring. I need flout in a ring. Because I'm not a good swimmer. I am not a good swimmer. I need flout in a ring. So this is for today.